Welcome to Sleep Science Today. Sleepytinis. I don't even know what to start with next year. We have so many wonderful options. But today I wrote a recipe down. We are going to do the pear blueberry calm. How about that? So, if we're going to do that, we need some blueberries, right? Why don't we start with some of those? Put some of those in our muddling glass. And somewhere, there we go, we got a pear. Well, actually we have a single, not a pear, but a single pear. How about that? Okay, in here, we're going to cut some of our pear off. Beautiful pear shape, how about that? And we'll cut it into some smaller pieces so that it's easier to get in the muddling glass. The same thing here. Put that in there. Over here, we've got our melatonin. 3 milligrams of melatonin. Chamomile tea. Fill that up. And our muddling stick. Yep. And let's start muddling. All right. You know, when you have fresh, ripe vegetables, fruits, any types of things that you're going to be putting in your Sleepytinis, it's really best to wait until they're perfectly ripe because they're soft, all of the natural flavors come out. If you try and do it too soon, you're really not going to get the full effect of what you're trying to get when you create a Sleepytini. So, we're muddling here, and we've got a pretty good mixture. Take a look at that. Okay, so what do we need? You know the drill. We need a martini shaker. We need ice. We need a strainer. And we strain this on the way in because it's got a lot of fibrous pulp, right? Because we did pear and blueberry, and those have peels on them and pulp and fiber. So that's not really pleasant to drink. So that's why we strain it out. That's everything that didn't go into the drink. And then, put the top on, and let's start shaking. This is how you do a party. When you hear that rattling sound, you know you got a party going on. And this thing gets cold really, really quickly. You can see how cold it gets. Go ahead and take the top off. Got our martini glass. And that wonderful blueberry color. Pear is a more subtle flavor. Let's see how it is in this one. Ooh. I don't think I've ever paired pear and blueberry together before, but I'm glad I did. I wish I could describe it to you better than you tasting it yourself, but I think the best thing is for you to taste it yourself. So here we go. Again, what did we put in here? We put in some pear, right? We put in the chamomile tea. We put in some blueberries, fresh blueberries from the farm. And we put in some melatonin, shake it all up, and magic happens. Subscribe, like, send it to your friends. Give us your comments. That's actually the most important thing. What do you think about it? Do you have some twist you'd like to place on this, or do you like it just the way it is? Tell us. We can't read your mind, but we can help you sleep. Join us at Sleep Science Today for all sorts of information to help you sleep better at night.